Hello students. In my last video I have already talked about how you can use two modules like Globe module and CV2 to build a simple application that would scan through all the files inside a directory, and it will match for a pattern, and if it matches with any images or any pattern, it would resize. So we have given the pattern as .jpg, so it would scan for those files that has extension .jpg, and if it gets that image, that file, so it would resize that image. So if you have a directory having thousands of images, so a single script or 5 to 6 lines of code can make your life easy. In this video or in upcoming videos, we will be building a simple object detection application. So we'll be detecting we'll be taking an image, and I'll show you how to detect its frontal face and how to detect its eyes, so all these stuffs. And so this is a machine learning based approach application. Okay, but in this case, if I talk about my approach, so someone has already built that classifier. So this is a classification problem, right? So someone has already built that classifier for us. We would be using that, and we'll be so our script. So through our script, we would say that, see, this is your classifier. So this classifier contains all the necessary information you need to detect a face, a frontal face in this image. Okay, now you look into this model, and this is your sample model, sample image, and you show me your result. This is the approach. Okay, so I have already downloaded these two XML files. So these are the models that I was talking about. So this XML file is to detect frontal face. Okay, so these are called cascade files, and this is to detect eye. So if you want to play with other types of XML, so this is the GitHub repository. So you can visit this repo, and there are lots of. So I have taken this one, and default this one. So it has other ones like full body. Okay, so you can lower body, so you can download it and play with this. The basic intuition is same. Okay, so that file will contain some features. So what are features? So in my intro to CV2 video, I have already said that images are nothing but grids of pixels. So if you talk about color images, it has three channels: red, green, and blue. So each pixel contains values for red, green, and blue. So if I talk about this image and I want to detect its frontal face and its eyes, so any frontal face image has some common features. So what I mean by feature, so feature means intensity of pixels. Okay, so these XML files contain pixel values, or so if I talk about this portion, it has some pixel values, row and column. If I talk about this pixel, it has also row value and column value. So these XML files contain these pixel values to detect a face in an image. So as I said, every frontal face image. So if I want to detect a frontal face image, so this XML file will contain each pixel value to detect those features. Okay. So like if I talk about shades, so this shade, this shade. So all these, so intensity of, so the variation of intensities are same for any kind of frontal face image, and we will look for those pixel values inside this XML file. I mean, not we will look, our CV2 will look inside this. Okay, so and it will see that these are my so these are the information that we have, and now give me your sample data. And if I pass my model this image, so it will scan through all the pixels. So there is a process like a stack type of model. So if so it first scans through all these pixels, and if it doesn't find any suitable pixel that matches with information that has inside this XML. So then it scales up this image. Okay, so now it looks for the same pixel values inside a bigger image, and it goes on, okay, until it doesn't find uh, that information that matches with these XML values inside these XML files. So this is my approach. Okay, and now so at the end we'll get those pixel values. So let's say we would get this pixel value, and so as we get, so so if I talk about my script, so this is my so I will talk about this script in my next video. I am just talking very briefly that this is my face classifier, this is my eye classifier, and these are the pixel values and necessary information to detect a face. So what these faces object contain? So this contains this pixel value, the height and the width. Okay, so using those information we'll draw a rectangle. Okay, that is a very simple thing. So this is my approach, and now let's see uh, how my output goes. So this is the original image, and if I take this one, so sample3.jpg, let's see how it works. Oh sorry, this one is jpeg, sorry for that. So this is my original image. Now let's see, this is very accurate. So first face classifier has detected the face, and eye classifier has detected the eye. So this is my output. We'll be building that script in my next video, and yeah, that's is what we are gonna build. And now let's take another image. uh, yeah, this one is perfect. So let me change this one, sample5.jpg. This one is the original one, and see, so our script is doing a great job, right? So yeah, that is our application, and we are going to build this in our next video. Bye bye.